Children, let's read the 20 sentences about animals. Number 1. Bees. Bees are important because they help pollinate plants and make honey. Elephants. Elephants are the biggest land animals in the world. Lions. Lions are called the kings of the jungle. Penguins. Penguins waddle when they walk because it helps them conserve energy. Giraffes have long necks so they can reach higher leaves on trees. Dolphins are very smart and can communicate with each other using clicks and whistles. Kangaroos have pouches where they carry and nurse their young. Owls are nocturnal animals, which means they are most active at night. Snakes are cold-blooded and need to sandbath to regulate their body temperature. Koalas eat eucalyptus leaves and they sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Sharks are apex predators in the ocean, and they have been around for over 400 million years. Monkeys are primates that come in all shapes and sizes, and they are known for their intelligence and dexterity. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals in the world, and they can run up to 75 miles per hour. Crocodiles are large, carnivorous reptiles that have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. Bears are large mammals that are found in many parts of the world, and they hibernate during the winter months. Hawks are birds of prey that have excellent eyesight, and they are able to spot their prey from great distances. Butterflies are insects that go through a metamorphosis from caterpillar to butterfly, and they come in many different colors and patterns. The octopus has 8 legs and can change color. The horse is a domesticated animal commonly used for transportation. The dog is known as man's best friend. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new today.